Ask Ash is a weekly show where I answer questions from you, my audience. This week, I'm answering a question from one of my patrons. How long does the video recording and editing process take, and which setup and tools do you use? To answer this question, we're going to do things a little differently, with some extra cool behind-the-scenes footage. So, first things first, let's talk about time. The time it takes to record and edit videos varies greatly depending on which video series I'm working on. Take, for example, Trans Voices. That series is a much longer edit process and will usually take me about an hour of shooting plus another 5 hours of editing it down so it will be ready to post. Episodes like Ask Ash, however, are a bit faster and they take about an hour from start to finish. Now let's talk about gear and editing. As a side note, I have included affiliate links to all my recommended kit in the description below. For cameras, I like to use Sony. I have an A7 series cam that I use for almost everything. If you're in the market for a vlog cam, I would highly recommend the A7 III on the high end and the A6300 and 6500 on the mid-range. There are plenty of great cameras out there for less. These are just the ones that I'm most comfortable with. For lighting, I like to use a variety of LEDs, from this small panel over here to this wand light over here. They are all small, versatile, and relatively inexpensive. Next up, editing software. I use Premiere Pro Creative Cloud. In my opinion, the Adobe suite is unparalleled for functionality and use. It's the only software that I can recommend without any hangups. You also get solid audio and motion graphic software with it as well. Finally, setups. These vary vastly from shot to shot, so I will give you a short and quick lighting 101. When filming, you want one light to illuminate your subject. This is called the key light, and additional lights to your scenes, sometimes a color light for the background or a light to add separation, also called a backlight. I hope this helped. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Also, if you'd like to support me and my creative endeavors, please consider donating to my Patreon at patreon.com/ashcoyote. Thank you so much. Bye!